Hey guys, I'm down here at Ocean Beach for the high tide of 4.2 and bit of a fizzer. I was hoping yesterday 4.1 would sort of clear out a bit of the sand, but it hasn't really touched it, and it's high tide now, and this is as much as it's going to get. So it's cracking up against this edge here, but a digger has put all this sand on the edge. So we'd have to lose a hell of a lot of this sand here for it to become any good. So there's about 1.5 meters, 2 meters of sand from where I'm supposed to be detecting. So I haven't found any coins visible. Steve Spillard was down here just before with his Bunnings jacket on, and yeah, I'll give it another half an hour and see if any more of this sand gets dragged away. Alright guys, see ya.